Oh god, that's the biggest one I've ever seen in my life. Man, they have got the gates open and the waters a-flowing. Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Mad Bass Fishing. Today, as you just saw, we are back at our favorite little spillway that you guys have been begging for. A lot of you guys have been waiting for some spillway videos, so here we are at our favorite little spillway that is spilling right now. I've got my dad with me. We went and got some chicken liver. We got some sliders, you know, the OG stuff that we usually use. And typically when the water's running like this, we catch some fish. But the last time we were here and it was running, there was a bunch of dead fish and we literally caught nothing. So it's gonna be either really good or really bad, but I guess we'll find out. Before we do get into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It is mandatory. If you don't subscribe, well, you're probably not gonna catch a fish ever again. So if you guys don't wanna risk that, subscribe down below. And let's get this video to 50 likes right now. Click the like button, it's free. You don't even have to have an account to like the video, but it helps with the algorithm and helps me get my video out there, and we'll get a bunch of subs and do giveaways and all that fun stuff. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and well, I'm gonna grab the poles and stuff, work my way down, throw the GoPro on, and we'll see if we can catch ourselves some fish today. I would like to catch some fish to clean in my sink right inside my new home in front of Kaylee so she can smell the beautiful scent of dead fish. So yeah, sit back, relax folks, crack a cold one if you are of legal age, and let's see if we can catch some fish. Down the box. Alright folks, you know how it is. We got the old slider, the OG. You've already seen it 1,000 times. We're gonna hope to catch some white bass, maybe a catfish, maybe a spoonbill. I don't even know if those are up here right now. Probably snag a couple carp. We're hoping to catch something. Because like I said, it's either going to be a really good day to catch fish or a really bad one. But I guess the only way to find out is to fish, so wish us luck. Okay folks, well, like I said earlier, it's either going to be really good or really bad. Well, unfortunately for us, it is very, very bad. The only thing we're catching here, folks, are snags and more snags. So the plan is to now probably go to Liberty Park. We're gonna go catch some catfish. My mom wants some fish for the house, so my dad's gonna come along and he's gonna catch some fish for my mom, and then me myself, I'm probably gonna catch 2 or 3, and we're gonna take it home and do a catch and cook. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna go to Sedalia. We're in Warsaw right now, so it'll be about 35, 40-minute drive. We actually are gonna have to go to Woods, get some chicken liver. Hopefully they have some, because the one I went to earlier didn't. But luckily there's 2 Woods in Sedalia. And we're gonna try to pick up some chicken liver, go to the park, catch some catfish, and well, hopefully we actually catch a fish this video. So stay tuned, we'll be back catching fish hopefully. Okay guys, we are back at the spot you guys saw in the last video, Liberty Park. We got Dad over there. We're catfishing, we got chicken liver. We're gonna keep some to eat, and well, I mean, that's it. We're gonna cast out, see if we can catch some catfish, and then we're gonna go home, cook them up for you guys, so stay tuned. Oh yeah. I love touching nasty chicken liver. Delicious. Alright, well, you guys know the move. Chicken liver, Liberty Park Pond, equals channel catfish. Casting it right over that fountain. When I drop to the bottom, turn my drag down so they can run with it. You guys know the drill. Your chicken liver sucks. Oh. Well, I can't set the hook. It's. As I say, your chicken liver sucks. That's funny.
Oh, I got one.
Oh. What the heck? Is he big?
Apparently.
Oh, God. Let me get the camera. We have some action, folks. What the? Are you sure you don't have a giant stick? Oh, God. That's the biggest one I've ever seen in my life. Oh, shoot.
That damn fish took me right into the damn brush.
You need a net for that? Are you going to take that home? I think Mom's going to be a little disappointed. Oh, I'll eat that at this point. I think Mom's going to be a little disappointed. Oh, acting all big and tough. Acting like he had a 13-pounder on. I was like, what the heck? That's literally the biggest fish that's ever going to come out of here. He must have, like, swam you right into the brush. Oh, our savior. He's caught one. It's a little bitty guy, but he's an eater. He'll eat.
Fires.
We're not starving tonight. Oh, snap. I still don't know if I can make a video out of this, but we're gonna try. I need like 5 more.
Got your bucket?
Yeah, what is that? Cook. Oh, what? Am I keeping that one?
Oh, just well.
You're not taking that one home?
If not, I'll take it home if you don't. I plan on catching another one.
Oh God, okay, we'll throw it in the bucket then. He's literally out of control. He's catching every fish in this pond now.
Oh, he's a fighter too.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh God, you're just throwing him around. That's not bad. It's like the same size as the other one.
Oh, hell.
Oh God.
You know what, don't you?
Oh, let me
Where
see.
those pliers at?
Oh, is it way down in there?
Yeah, he wasn't getting back off of this.
Oh, good. You really let him take it then.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Hope you guys are enjoying some catching from my dad, because we all know I can't catch fish. Oh, see the surgery here. You gonna get it out or what?
I don't know.
Well, he's gonna have to go on the dinner plate then. I'm going to keep attempting to catch a fish before it gets too dark. There we go.
Got him?
Yeah, I do.
About now.
Finally. Yeah. It took 10 years to. Only took 6 hours to catch one fish. Nice. Right before dark. Oh, he's not a bad one either. Oh, nice. That is a good one. Heck yeah.
He thought they were real small.
Oh, they are.
That's a good size one though.
It is. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's pretty dark. But we got ourselves a nice little... It literally looks like a blue. I think it is a blue. Nice little kitty cat. Only took 19 hours and 37 minutes to catch it. But he's not bad. And I'll actually have something to eat tonight. Sweet. Okay guys, it got too dark to film anything after I caught that last fish. But Dad went home, he gave me his fish, so I would have something to cook tonight. So shout out to you, Dad. Thanks for catching some fish, like always. But we're back at the house. I'm gonna go ahead and fillet these fish out. I have them outside. I cut the tails off of them so they would bleed out, so the meat would be a little more white and not as gamey. So I'm gonna go ahead, go grab those, fillet them out, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do to make these fish. I'm gonna fry them up for you guys, and I also have some rice in my rice cooker cooking up right now. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, sorry if the lighting is absolute cheeks, like I said before, like a million times. But I've got this little LED light that's gonna somewhat help a little bit, but maybe not a lot. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a brief rundown on what I'm going to do and like what recipe I'm using. It's super simple. I'll show you in just a second. We got our fillets nice and cut up. Look at that. Nice little fillets. This is my new cooking channel, so hope you guys enjoy. I'm just playing. But anyways, let's get into the cooking portion. So I'm gonna take some flour. Pretty simple stuff. I'm gonna put it in one of these little pan thingamajiggers that apparently we use to mix things. I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest with you. Then we're gonna take some salt, some good old Morton salt. We're gonna put a little bit in here, basically make a seasoned flour. Gonna stir that around. Take some pepper, some ground black pepper, you know, that bougie stuff. Some Great Value, you know how it is. Mix it in there. Get a good amount in there. We want to really taste the flour. So, just gonna mix that up a little bit. Then we got basically seasoned flour. Alright, next, so we just now got on the cabinet and you hear that beeping, that's my rice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Put that on the warmer. Rice is done. We're gonna take some Progresso breadcrumbs. I like to use garlic and herb. Pour it in our little deal here. Get a good amount. Close that up. Next we gotta get ourselves an egg or two here. Crack a couple eggs. Use as an egg wash. Last time I cracked an egg, it busted all over the floor, so that was really cool. Crack one. Crack two. Get the little bitty shell out of here. Okay, I literally scrambled these eggs trying to get that shell out. Now we're just gonna take our fish here, dip it in our eggs. Oh yeah, get a nice good coating of eggs here. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna throw in our flour. Oh my god, that was an awful idea. It's a good thing Kaylee's not home. Mix it up in here. Get some flour on that whole fillet there. Get a good coat. I never learned. Get a good coating. And then I'm gonna put it back in our eggs. That's right, folks. We'll double yolk. And now we're gonna throw in our breadcrumbs. Oh shoot, Kaylee's home. Oh god. Now we're gonna take it, flip it around, get old breadcrumbs in here. Oh yeah, get a good healthy coating of breadcrumbs. Kaylee's home, guys. We're screwed. Anyways, I forgot to put the oil in the pan, so we're gonna throw that in there, let it get nice and hot because we got our fillet done. Put a good old healthy coating of oil. I don't even know. Medium to high heat. And now we gotta wait for our oil to heat up because I forgot to heat it up. Okay, what's up? Yeah, I'm just going to point the camera at the oil when it gets hot and show you guys the whole fillet sizzling in the whole oil. Yeah, this will be a really quick catch and cook. Okie dokie, folks. Well, I think our grease, oil, whatever you want to call it, is hot enough. I got these nice and coated with flour and breadcrumbs. We're gonna dip it in there and see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You hear that baby sizzling? That's gonna taste so good. Okay, well, from here, I'm just gonna B-roll the heck out of this fish because there's nothing interesting about fish cooking in the oil, so basically enjoy some random B-roll of frying fish, and I'll see you guys when the fish is done and we got our rice and stuff on our plate, so yeah. Honestly, it may have looked burned in the camera, promise you. It's just a good old golden crispy fillet in there. Super excited for this one. Oh my god, guys. Look at how good this looks. Oh, baby. I'm telling you guys, I'm not a chef or anything, but that looks pretty dang good. So I'm gonna go ahead, prep my plate. I'll cook the rest of these later. We'll see what happens. This looks delicious. I just know for a fact it's gonna taste delicious. And gonna get some rice on my plate, get some soy sauce on there, and then we'll do a little taste test, see how it tastes, and then we'll get Kaylee in here, see what she thinks. Okay guys, well, this is the final product. Yeah, that's the one. Now, it's time for the taste test. Did I make something that's gonna taste halfway good? Or did I make something that's literally gonna make me throw up everywhere? Oh my god, so crispy. I'm gonna eat the fish first, just without the rice. See what it tastes like. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Literally delicious. You, come here. Take a bite of this.
Okay.
Perfect timing.
I had to ask you a question. It looks a little burnt.
Huh? No, it's delicious. Just take a bite. It's really hot.
Whoa. Give me this little bit piece. Ah, shit.
Gotta get the golden crispy part. Oh yeah, so good.
Oh, we're good.
Oh no, I'll cook it. Hey man, I didn't say you could have my rice. Go get your own rice. There's a whole thing over there. Bro.
Put a little bit of fish on there. ASAP. Oh yeah.
You're literally making a mess.
Oh yeah.
You're making a mess.
That's good.
Oh, I know. I know. Now go away so I can eat my food in peace.
Okay.
It's Kaylee approved, so it's gotta be halfway good. That or she's lying because the camera's on. We'll never know. But we'll try it with the rice. Half the rice is on the floor and on my crock, but that's pretty good.
Did you put that garlic stuff on?
That's pretty good. That garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Okay guys, well, overall, I'd probably give this like an 8 out of 10. It could definitely be better, but it is pretty good. I need you guys right now, if you haven't yet, leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Give me some recipes. And if I use your recipe because it sounds delicious, I'll shout you out. So, yeah, the fishing was really tough. Really brutal. We caught 3 fish and we fished literally for like 6 hours today. We went to Truman, caught nothing. Went to the Liberty Park, almost caught nothing. But somehow we pulled through, caught some fish, and now they're cooked up and on my plate. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. This weekend, me and Kaylee are going to Bennett Springs. We're going to be filming some trout fishing videos for you guys. Super stoked about that. I haven't been to Bennett in like a year or two. And, oh, trout fishing is just, gets my nether regions tingling. Whew. But that'll be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. 2,000 subs, we're giving away a rod and reel to one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of that. I think maybe next video or the video after, I'm going to do a mystery tackle box giveaway because they're sponsoring one of my videos. And yeah, if you subscribe, you can be a part of that too. So that's about it from me. Somehow we caught some fish. I brought my dad. That's the only reason why we actually caught fish. He's literally the fish slayer, so if he had an Instagram or something, it was really cool, but I would shout him out, but he's old, so he doesn't have any of that stuff. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. And folks, like always,